So here we are at Clifton Gardens. We're going to get our snorkel on and see if we can see some seahorse. Let's go. So this is Clifton Gardens Reserve, right? And right down there you have a shark net, and apparently along the shark nets you find all seahorses. So we're going to go for a little walk around here. We'll get the drone up for a bit and then we'll come back and see if we can find our seahorse. But the visual right now, it's not very clear. We need the sun to come out, so we'll just wait and we'll suss it out. Where does this lead us, Lockie boy?
Some lookout.
Some lookout? What do you get if you cross a monkey and a kangaroo? That. It's a little bit overcast at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the drone up and wait for the sun to come out. And then we'll go for a little snorkel over there, right near the shark net. So me and Lachlan have been looking for the drone for like half an hour. We flew it out here and it bloody wouldn't go all the way back to where we're landing. So I tried to get it low. We don't know what happened, it just stopped working. So now we're trying to find the drone in the bushes. Where is it, Lockie?
Somewhere in here.
Bloody hell. What a great way to start the day. It's somewhere in this vicinity. I'm never going to find it. So it's official, I've lost my drone. It is what it is, there's not much I can do about it. I'm sad, pretty devastated, but you know, I'll just blame it on this little bastard. Now we're going to go for a snorkel. We're not going to let it wreck our day, let's go. Fish, bro, you got to be careful because you're not the line.
Yeah.
Two hooks. So big, like a shark. happens when you leave lines in the water. Alright, so we started the day at Clifton Gardens and I lost my bloody drone on the cliff. It wouldn't come back to me and the visual was pretty crap, right? It was early in the day and it was real cloudy, but now the sun's out, gun's out. We're gonna go to Shelley Beach and I'm gonna show my little bro Shelley Beach. Here we are at Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly, Shelley Beach. And this is why they call it Cabbage Tree Bay. So she's a bit packed today. Right on the other side over there is the actual Shelley Beach. But this is Cabbage Tree Bay right here. You ready, bruh? Look at him, he's got his own gear and everything now. Alright, so we had a little snorkel. We've seen a few things. We've seen a groper, we've seen some garfish, we've seen some bream, we've seen some luterik. I think we've seen a banjo shark, they're called. Looks like a stingray. Alright, so me and Lockie had our snorkel for the day. We're going to check up here and see what's up this path. How you feeling, Lockie? Nice and gassed?
Yep.
There's a few. Look, I can see a couple. I can see a couple over here. This is where they all chill. Okay. So there used to be bandicoots all around here. Little penguin. So today on Rob Dogs Vlogs, we went out to Clifton Gardens. We had a little snorkel, but it was a little bit overcast, so the snorkeling wasn't the best. Seen a little bream in the water, and it had a hook stuck in its mouth. So we got the hook out and we set him free. But I lost my drone today, which is a bit of a shit go. I was spewing. I was pretty spewing about that, but I'm like, I'm not going to let it ruin the day. So it was still overcast, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to bring my brother to Shelley Beach. So I bring him here to Shelley Beach, and I showed him his first little snorkel here. And you know what, it was pretty cool. We've seen some gropers and a whole bunch of fish. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one. Get 'em monks.